Up next in fourth place is the DYMO LabelWriter Print Server. Discover the unparalleled efficiency of the DYMO Print Server, an innovation that reshapes wireless printer connectivity for modern office dynamics. Crafted to perfection for today's workplaces, this print server harmonizes convenience and performance seamlessly. It harmoniously syncs with Mac OS and Windows operating systems, serving as the gateway to effortless printer sharing. Users can execute print tasks wirelessly from computers or mobile devices, redefining convenience. Flexibility finds a new dimension with its dual connectivity prowess. Immerse in the contemporaneity of the USB 2.0 or embrace the classic reliability of an Ethernet cable. This adaptability ensures a bespoke fit for diverse office configurations, adapting to your distinct needs. The setup of the DYMO remains an uncomplicated process, guided by lucid instructions that ensure effortless navigation. Unleash the potential of streamlined wireless printing, manifesting impeccable printouts with remarkable speed. Its unwavering reliability transforms it into a staunch ally within your office landscape. Sporting a compact form and an airy build, seamlessly integrating this print server into your existing office ecosystem becomes an endeavor marked by simplicity, eradicating unnecessary complexities. Whether you're revolutionizing print workflows or enhancing convenience through wireless printing, the DYMO stands as a stalwart embodiment of features and reliability. It's poised to catapult your office's productivity to unprecedented heights. Its pros are: it allows easy wireless printing from computers and mobile devices, enhancing convenience. It supports both USB 2.0 and Ethernet connections, and it offers reliable and consistent printing, ensuring high-quality printouts within seconds. However, it may not be compatible with all printer models. The DYMO LabelWriter Print Server is an excellent choice for businesses seeking efficient wireless printing solutions, allowing seamless connectivity from various devices for enhanced productivity and convenience. Still haven't found a print server that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos.